Today, this is Vlogmas number 8!
I need the support of all the Filipino because for the very first time in 41 years, dito ginanap sa Pilipinas ang Mrs. Universe.
Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And today, I'm going to tour you around to DERMCARE here at SEASIDE, Cebu. Ang yayaman. Ang gaganda ng mga ano nila, guys. May pa curtain, ganon. Oh. Ang ganda. Tapos parang royal theme dating. Tingnan nyo. Merong glitters. And then, the bedsheet, of course. Tingnan yung mga bedsheet. Tcharan! Ang ganda, no? Ang pangit ng hair ko ngayon, guys. Ang ganda. Super love it. Ang ganda ng interiors. I'm going to avail one of their services later, but I'm going to show to you kung ano yung nangyayari. So far, meron akong makeup on. By the way, guys, the makeup that I have right now, hindi naman siya makeup, talagang makeup, magpapalights on. So, on my kilay, as usual, the Etude House, and the gel liner that I use is the LA Girl gel liner, and for my lips, I use the 755 Maybelline, and yung MAC na Cosmo, again, that's my favorite. And sa foundation ko, yung Makeup Forever na Water Blend. Maputi siya konti sa mukha ko, but it blends well naman, so okay lang. Nonetheless, super happy. But by the way, guys, tingnan nyo yung shirt ko. Oh. Miss Universe! The contestant of Miss Universe right now are here at SEASIDE. And later on, we're going to meet them. We're going to tour around, and hopefully I will be able to talk some of them because naging friends ko sila the other day. Chika lang. But, by the way, guys, I'm with, Trixie.
Hello!
Na, pinabangs-bangs, guys. Trixie, guys. Korean and oppa. Yan. Magpakulot na lang sa ko, guys. No, I'm planning to, mag-color ng hair, pero later na lang. Pink. No. I'm not going for a pink. Granny. Mga ganun. Pero nasuya ako ani gang. Nasuya ako ani gang. Gusto kita yung YouTube channel gang. Usab good.
Yes, my YouTube channel is My Review by C.
Hi to all Cebuanos out there, and not just Cebuanos, but to all of us who wants to enhance their beauty. So we have a lot of branches here, not just Seaside, but also we have SM Consolacion, SM Cebu, Ayala, and also DERMCARE Colony. We have also one branch that we have opened 1 year ago, that is Bella Lapu, that you can have waxing. And also with these branches, we can offer you a lot of facial services that will fit to your needs, that you need to have enhancement to your face. And also, not just that, we also have products that is very affordable and also that has a good quality that fit to your needs. So thank you. Come here and visit us and our DERMCARE facial services and waxing. Thank you.
Currently, we have our Christmas promo wherein customers can buy 3+2 free sessions on our regular facial and body services, so they just have to pay for 3 sessions and then they get 2 free sessions. Also, they will get free beauty blender when they purchase minimum single receipt purchase worth 500 pesos, and then a beauty pouch for 1,000 pesos minimum worth of purchase. You can try our facial, body, and hair services, and our services, basic facial services starts at 380 pesos up to you can add your mask or other add-on services that you would want. We have our body services, so we do massage. We do body scrubs. We have slimming treatments such as yung radiofrequency and liposculpt cavitation. And then we do also have hair services. So we do rebond and then hair color and hair treatment. So wala lang kaming haircut. Our Facebook, you can like us at facebook.com/i.like.dermcare, and then we also have our Instagram, that's at DERMCARE Philippines, and on Twitter at DERMCARE. We do also have website, that's www.dermcareprofessional.com.
Guys, we're going to go inside sa ilang VIP room. It's very, very nice. Tingnan nyo guys. Nakaka...
Thank you.
Hello everybody from Cebu City. I'm Marianela Jolie, Mrs. Dominican Republic, and I'm happy to be in Cebu City. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us. Thank you. I feel like it's in my house, in my home. Wow, great, great. It's a great honor to know you.
Yes.
Yes, great honor that.
She's very kind,
Enjoy
guys.
everything that happened to us.
You're
We're
going to
like a
Cebu.
queen. Okay.
Super sexy, right?
Besos.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm with Mrs. England. Super pretty. Hi. Are you enjoying your stay so far?
I am, yes. Philippines is so beautiful. I love Philippines. People are so kind. Food is amazing, and I'm gonna come back.
Thank you for being here. So, maybe tomorrow coronation night will be December 10th.
10th, yes,
Right? So
yes.
good luck for that. Are you going to sing or dance in your competition night for the talent?
There is no talent round anymore.
Oh, okay.
But
sorry for that.
yeah, it's okay. But you know, just coming here and mingling with everyone, it's a talent itself.
Yeah. Hi, super lovely guys.
Thank you, DERMCARE, and thank you a lot. You've been amazing, and your place is just awesome.
Yeah, it's like a royalty thing.
It is. It looks royalty all the way.
Yes, thank you. I'm with another beautiful contingent from Mrs. Universe, Miss.
Mrs. Eurasia Universe from India, Saruchi Diwan.
Oh, you're from India as well.
Yeah, I'm also in my home country. I'm international director. I conducted national and international pageants over there, and I'm also fashion designer and immigration consultant.
Wow, amazing. Good luck in your competition day.
Yeah, I'm also international founder and director over there. Your team is just superb. Just love your team. The best part of this journey, your team, your cooperative staff is just amazing, amazing.
Thank you for that.
And thank
See
you for
see
also.
Hi.
Hi, I want you to visit DERMCARE Cebu and experience the grandest treatment for rejuvenation and relaxation. I really want DERMCARE because you know, it's very affordable and it's very fit to Mrs. like me who wants a total pampering and holistic treatment. Please visit, okay?
Why do you love DERMCARE?
I really love DERMCARE because it's a very, aside from being affordable and very, you know, the experience is really grand because, you know, when you come here, total relaxation and you will really experience that holistic one. I mean, the holistic treatment. And it's very fitted to the budget of mommies like me. And everybody could afford it. Yes, this is Marilu Villanueva, your DERMCARE ambassador.
I'm here with Director of Mrs. Universe Costa Rica.
Hello.
Nice having you here.
Thank you very much. I'm very pleased to be here with all these amazing ladies, and this is an amazing country. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
I'm with. Where are you from, beautiful lady?
I'm from India, Pune. Namaste.
Namaste.
Love you all.
Super. Good luck. Good luck in your competition.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You know what? I'm with Mrs. Universe Philippine representative. The other day, I was not able to interview her, pero ngayon, nandito na talaga siya. Fresh. Hello.
I need the support of all the Filipino. Because for the very first time in 41 years, dito ginanap sa Pilipinas ang Mrs. Universe. At 'di ba marami na tayong Miss Universe sobra, but not even one na merong Mrs. Universe.
Yeah.
Mrs. Universe is, I believe, mas importante sa Miss Universe. Kasi ito na yung broader na yung responsibilidad mo sa
Yes.
buhay.
And
with all your experience, and it's an advocacy-based pageant. It's not lang pagandahan. Kung ano yung nasa puso po natin, yun po yung importante sa buhay.
Yes,
Life is just
supportahan.
about how we could give back to the community. That's what life is all about. Yung naka-raise ka na ng mga children mo, that you know how to take care of your husband, and of course, you have to be an inspiration sa komunidad, sa Pilipinas, at of course, the bigger picture is how to be a good citizen sa buong mundo natin. Kaya po ganyan talaga, kailangan sa mga kababaihan dyan, next year, magbubukas na po yung Mrs. Universe para sa lahat. Humanda na po kayo, kailangan kahit pa paano magpa-sexy, but make your own advocacy. How can we change for a better world? Supportahan niyo po kami, December 10, Waterfront.
So guys, after meeting with the beautiful candidates of Mrs. Universe 2018, so it's time for me to, magfi-facial sana ako, but then, magpapawax na lang ako sa kilikili ko, kasi wala nang time. Guys, magpapawax muna ako ng underarm, and then, I'm going to Macau Imperial later for my favorite drinks. Ouch! Scrub ni, no? Magpa-scrub. Bango ng scrub nila, guys. So, guys, after 5 minutes, kinukuha na yung kanina. Ito. Tapos ngayon, yes, magsa-start na.
Diyan na ipakita mo.
Mauwo ko. Okay. Aray. Diretso na siya. Wow. How much man sad ang kaning wax sa clay? 380 if merong scrub. Tapos kung wax lang, it's 280. Tapos na siya ginamit, guys. Clay na wax. Anti-inflammatory lotion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I'm done na, guys. And magbibihis muna ako in 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go to Trixie because she's having facial care. Guys, so, sis Trixie, gioperahan pa siya ni Miss. What's your name, madam?
Jessa.
Miss Jessa Saragosa. Jessa of Cebu. Hi, Trixie. How are you? Okay pa ka diha?
I'm fine.
Okay, great. I'm done. I'm ready to go home with a very beautiful Kili Kili, and thanks to
Miss Lori V.
Wow! Thank you so much, Miss Lori V.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
subscribe to my channel, okay?
Yes,
Grabe, tortura na ni Bes. And then, thank you, DERMCARE, for my beautiful Kili Kili. Amazing. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check Cykaniki's vlog, okay? Bye! See ya! Guys, I'm here at Macau Imperial, one of my favorite drinks. Guys, so finally, nagkita na kami ni... This is for you. And this is for me. guys, yung pamasahe, if you're from SM Seaside and then going to SM City Cebu or Park Mall, 25 pesos yung babayaran nyo. So, tipid. So, if you're going to come here in Cebu, much better magmamaypas kayo.